Hello everyone. Welcome to the video presentation of our project. Our research retrieval-based inertial localization is the task of estimating the location of a subject in an environment solely from a history of IMU sensor data without retraining the model for each building. So, why there is a problem? To understand that, let's take a look at the existing approaches and their drawbacks. The first one is GPS. Though GPS works well outside, it fails indoors because GPS needs a clear line of sight. The other one is wireless localization. The accuracy of Wi-Fi based localization depends on infrastructure such as the number of access points. Image-based localization needs a camera, and camera needs a direct line of sight. Also, cameras can be highly energy consuming. Existing methods such as particle filter, CRF, and learn prior require a predefined indoor floor plan of the building. The other problem is the lack of research under IMU-only localization. It is because of the relativeness of AIMA data, noises of data, and single point of failure. Explore the problem to estimate the absolute indoor location of a user through a retrieval-based approach, given only a sequence of IMU data, without using external infrastructure such as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, floor plan, etc. Objectives: investigate and address the problem identified using a retrieval-based approach that enables database flexibility without fully retraining the model. And integrate a robust motion-to-motion matching algorithm utilizing an external knowledge base to minimize interdependency between the model and data. Implement an energy-efficient indoor localization mechanism which can be used anytime, anywhere without need of external infrastructure, which uses IMU as the only sensor that preserves the privacy of users. Design and develop a software and web application, which can be used to analyze and track the user's location throughout the time. In this approach, we convert raw IMU into motion trajectories. For this, we use the Ronin ResNet deep learning model. Then we make these trajectories time invariant by interpolation and resampling based on fixed segment length. In the next step, we divide trajectories into fixed length subslices using fixed window size and step size. Then convert them to images. Now we have trajectory images for fixed length motions and their absolute locations. The VGG19 pre-trained feature extraction layer is used to extract features from these images. Finally, extracted features are stored in a KD tree and mapped along with their absolute locations. In the lower pipeline, when a new sequence arrives, we do the same pre-processing and get feature vectors for fixed-length motion. Then we get the K best possible location for best match in each feature vector using KD tree and narrow down these K possible locations into the most possible location using the candidate selection model. This is the final architecture of our solution. Hit the Start Service button and the app will start collecting IMU data while running it in the background. Now the user can move freely in an indoor environment. Recorded data will be saved in the mobile, and these files will be sent to the server. The server utilizes a retrieval-based model to analyze the collected data and predict the user's location. After predictions are generated, the results will be sent back to the web application. This data is sent to the server and saved in a specific format such as building name, device ID, and unique session ID. Each session of data collection is identified by a unique session ID. The web application provides an interface for users to access the collected data and obtain predictions. Users can select the building names, device IDs, and unique session IDs to retrieve the relevant data. This information is used to request the server for predictions. On the left side, the eventual final filtered exact locations are shown, and on the right side, top 5 possible locations are shown. The approach shows good results predicting the location only using a sequence of IMU measurements. For predicting the top k possible motion trajectories, we use the absolute trajectory error metric. Absolute trajectory error measures the accuracy of a localization system by comparing the ground truth trajectory with the predicted trajectories. For predicting the most likely eventual exact location for the user's motion, we calculated the Euclidean distances between corresponding points in the trajectories and defined the ATE distance as the minimum among k trajectories. We achieved success rates based on a predefined threshold. We presented a retrieval-based approach that explores the indoor localization problem, enabling database changes without fully retraining the model. Predict the object location with a privacy-preserving, energy-efficient and external infrastructure-free indoor mechanism using only IMU data. Thank you.